Good morning, children. This is Venugopal for Little Hearts Publications with Social Studies Book 1, Lesson number 3, Parents Love and Care for Us. In the previous lessons, children, we talked about family and who are called parents and different kinds of relations that we have, relationships. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn how do our parents love and how they take care of us. During different times, we are going to discuss in this. Before we go into the lesson, children, let us discuss the questions given under the formative assessment. What do parents do for us? Do you know, children, what do parents do for us? Parents do many things for us, of course. They earn money for us. They provide all the things we need. They send us to school. They take us to different kinds of places of entertainment. And they also look after us when we are sick. They help us in our studies. In these many different ways, parents help us. And next, who earns money for the family? Generally, in a family, who earns money? Is it father or mother or both? Sometimes, in most of the families, father is the person who earns money for the entire family. In some families, both father and mother also earn, and in some families, only mothers earn. Like that, there are different ways of earning money for the family by different members of the family. Who cooks food for you at your home? It's a very common question, children, and everybody knows the answer. Who cooks food for you at home? Most of the time it is mother. And if the mother goes out on work, either the grandmother or any servant or a cook appointed for that purpose generally cooks food for us. But most of the time it is the mother who cooks food. And who keeps the house tidy and neat? Again it is mother only. Mother only keeps the house tidy and neat. And generally, when it's a holiday, parents take us to different places to entertain us, to give us a feeling of recreation. From our daily routine, parents take us to different places. They are called places of entertainment. So, what are the places of entertainment? We can say we go to a zoo, sometimes we go to circus, sometimes we go to movies, sometimes we go to exhibitions. All these are places of entertainment. And what do we do to keep our parents happy? So, because parents do so many things for us, what should we do to make them happy? Let us learn from this lesson. As we discussed earlier, children, our father and mother are our parents. Our father and mother are our parents. And we are the children born to our parents. Parents love and care for us. Why? Why do parents love and care for us? Because we are blood related. We are related by blood. They do so many things for us. For example, father is referred to as the head of the family. He takes all the important decisions of the family in consultation with the mother. And of course, most of the time it is the father who earns money for the family. Means earning money means what? To work somewhere and get money. That is what is called earning. In some families, mothers also earn money. In some families, mothers also go to different offices or schools, either private or government jobs. They also earn money to support the family. Not only that, mother cooks food for the family. In most of the families, we can find mother cooking food for the family both in the morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, night supper or dinner, everything is cooked by mother. Not only that, she keeps the house neat and tidy. Mother always is found or is seen keeping the house and neat and tidy by scrubbing the floor, sweeping the floor, and dusting the furniture. All these things make the house neat and tidy. And then parents buy many things for us. Parents buy, can you tell me some of the things that the parents buy for us children? Parents, they buy clothes for us, they buy playthings for us, they buy several types of things that we want for our studies, like books, pencils, pens, and they buy shoes or slippers or chappal for us. They buy food for us, they send us to school, they play with us. And when we are sick, when we are suffering from any illness like fever, parents look after us. They are highly worried when children are suffering from any sickness. So children, we all know that the parents give us all the things we need. Whatever things we need, most of the things, they are provided by the parents. And they take us to the places of entertainment. Can you tell me the names of some places of entertainment? Circus, zoo, exhibition. So sometimes parents take us to cinemas to watch movies. Sometimes they take us to a circus. Sometimes they take us to a zoo, and sometimes to an exhibition. Why do parents do all these things for us? Because they always want us to keep happy. They always want to keep we people happy. The children, the parents always want their children to be happy. That's the reason, children, we love our parents very much. Because of these many reasons. They give us all the things we need. They send us to school, they play with us, they take us to the places of entertainment, and they look after us when we are sick. For all these reasons, we love our parents very much. How do we feel when we fall sick, children? When you fall sick, when you suffer from fever, how do you feel? You feel impatient. You feel frustrated. You feel uneasy. And can you tell me some more ways of getting entertainment other than what are there mentioned there in the lesson, children? Okay. Circus, zoo and exhibition are mentioned there. Are only these three entertainers or any other things of entertainment? Can you say that? Like going to movies, playing games, watching television, reading books. All these also are part of entertainment. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of the lesson, and let us discuss the exercises now. Under the task for summative assessment, answer the following questions. Who is the head of the family? In the first part, who is the head of the family? You remove this word and write father there in that place, and the remaining all answer you can copy directly. Father is the head of the family. Like that. Question number 2. What things does a mother do for the family? What things does a mother do for the family? Can you say the answer, children? Mother cooks food for the family. And mother keeps the house neat and tidy. How do parents help us? Parents help us in different ways. For example, they send us to school, they play with us, they buy many things for us, they look after us when we are sick, and they take us to different places of entertainment. In these ways, the parents help us. Name the places of the entertainment that our parents take us to. What are the names of the places of entertainment mentioned in the lesson, children? A zoo, a circus, and an exhibition. Okay? Next, in the B part, we have some fill in the blanks. There are some words given in the red box. We have to fill in the blanks with them. Parents look after us when we are dash. What is the answer for that, children? Parents look after us when we are sick. Very good. The answer is sick. Dash cooks food for the family. Second blank is mother. Mother cooks food for the family. Our parents always keep us dash happy. Third blank. Fourth blank, dash earns money for the family. Father. Fourth blank. Fifth blank, parents love and dash for us. Care for us. These are the answers for the fill in the blanks. Now let us see in the C bit. True or false statements are there. First statement, parents do not love and care for us. It is false. First one is false. They take a lot of care and love for us. Father earns money for the family. That is true. Mother keeps the house neat and tidy. That is also true. Parents look after us when we are sick. That is true. We don't love our parents. That is false. This is how we write the answers. Now match the following exercises there. You can see under A there are 4 words given: father, mother, exhibition, parents. Okay, let us see. Father earns money for the family. You have to join. Mother keeps the house neat and tidy. Exhibition is a place of entertainment. Parents give us all things we need. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this lesson. Thank you.